Hear me a say no man, Rapido, walk up on them and clap it up. Nico Blast, you know, 4th generation represent, isn't it? One Knock TV, yeah.
Alright, welcome Nico Blast.
Yeah.
So, who is Nico Blast?
Don't know Nico Blast, you know, versatile artist, you know, lyrical artist, isn't it? Melodious artist, melody and harmony more work with right through, you know, some of the things, isn't it? Lyrics too, well, pack a shot, yeah, that can wrap it up.
Alright, so last night I saw you in Interprime. Tell us about that interview.
Yeah, we do an interview last night, E-Prime that. You see me that a Friday we're gone. I'm going to tell you, say, yo, what does the dream, we are campaigning the dream and E-Prime give you a strength to the dream, so. Yeah, big up Julie and DVJ and E-Prime too, you see me? Dream 4th generation, so. Not going with the thing right now, man. Nico Blast, dream are the main thing. Yeah, that. Yeah.
I know that Dream is one of your current projects, so tell us about other projects that you have going on right now.
Right now, Dream are really the lead out single from my EP, you see me? Because I drop an EP named El Rapido. You get what I say? El Rapido EP. You see me? Later on this year. You can look out for that. 12 tracks, 12 mad things, you see me? Different style, different everything. So, and that's really the latest project me and David right now. Nico Blast, El Rapido EP. You see me?
So, the Dream and what other tracks will be on it?
Exclusive things, I'm not going to give you which other tracks. When we leak out 2 more, you know what I'm going to go. Right now, the Dream are the lead out track. You see me? So, 2 more tracks so far though, but just go and stay tuned and keep yourself posted with the movement, isn't it? The rapping.
So tell us how you got involved with 4th Gen.
Alright, 4th generation, I get a link with I do that through Jades. Because Jades make me know I do in the street, isn't it? So, me and Jades are flex and they make me know I do when I hear me song and I say you your body, you know? So, just that now, make me get into the JOP and the 4th generation movement, isn't it? And I really JOP them time because 4th generation a new thing, so JOP now 4th generation. So that's how the thing goes, isn't it?
When did you start to DJ?
Start DJ like 2008. Then time I just done high school. Calabar High School to big up yourself Calabar and my damn thing. Right? So I used to go to Calabar High School and I done high school to start DJ. I used to go to high school, I used to really DJ much. We used to start build song but we never take it too serious to be done school and start DJ about 2008 and start getting real serious about 2010. I get my first real official song released 2010. Song named I Am So. And then after that now, we still I go to school so I never go hard with it till about 2013 now. Because then we start taking it hard on the street and we get to know trades. So. This is me right now, isn't it? Rap it, walk up on them and clap it up.
Can you take us through the song making process?
No, man, I can't take you through the song making process. I tell you how I do it though.
Yeah.
Really and truly, I just feel it, you see me? Each rhythm give you a feeling, you see me? Every rhythm give you a feeling to make you want to say with the feeling. You want to bring out that feeling there. So. How me do it, I just that way there. Bring out the feeling I get in the rhythm out in our song. That's how me do it. I'm going to write it forward, I'm just compose it in my brain. You can't say writing it said way, but I don't really pen and paper because I have to compose it in my mind. That's how me do it. Wrap it up.
Knowing that you have basically just started DJing and you're an upcoming artist, who have you worked with so far?
Well, right now, since I'm so fresh in the game, I don't really collaborate with much people because I focus on my thing right now. Really. I collaborate with the 4th generation, you don't know Jades. I have sung with Jades. I have sung with Tanso. I never sang with me a hall again. So. 4th generation, man, you know I camp that, so we collaborate with the camp. But different from that still, I just myself, me and focus on me, right? So producers, I work with the Ancient Records, you know, I work with Zachariah, you see me? All Faces Records, I work with Sting J Music, Brixton Music, all heap of them, enough producer, you see me? I was going to get in work. Kev Star Records, Kev, I produce Dream, you see me so? Kev Star Records, big up yourself Kev Star, you think mad.